to have a non-competitive opportunity where we all can come together, train, and it's also an opportunity where you can learn some signature techniques.
Come here with an open mind today, with an open mind, okay? And you will receive more because you will learn from the different style of a karate. Okay. Knee, block, high punch. Block, high punch. See, block, high punch. And make sure you punch out.
Hey, start. Hey.
Shoot out my knee, right knee to the middle, snap your hips and bring it back. And imagine you're putting 80 buckets of water, each shoulder go left and right. Still, there's the core muscles engaged, right? Follow my arm. Hey! Do not move your body. Hey!
Alright, try to actually go low, butts up. Okay, so upper body is always straight. Upper body is always straight. Okay? Don't bend. Alright, a lot of us when we don't have enough back muscle, we tend to bend this way. Keep it straight. Say! Go! Look! Up, shoulder width. Not too narrow, unbalanced. Not too wide, you come to the target. Okay? Up, shoulder width. Alright, moving forward, lock and punch. Hey! Lock, punch. Hey! Lock, punch. Alright, from here, I just need you to lift up your front leg and kick my Gary front kick. Okay, my Gary front kick. And before you drop down, try to rotate 90 degrees. 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay, let's try to do this. My left leg, ready. Hey! Hey! Stop! Stay!
When you block, the purpose should be to off balance him. If you block and he's still in good balance, to follow up. For example, if you just do this, okay, then he will come and keep attacking you. Okay, you want to break his balance. So, okay, so that means try to put it somewhere at the side, so it's difficult for him to recover. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do first. Right front kick, come, step back, and block. Okay. One point to take note is make sure the attacker can really touch you. Okay, you got right, step in, catch, turn around. Okay, and then you can do a mock knee kick. Okay? Hey. Why do you use the neck and not the back? It's because the back, you have no leverage to move it. Okay, the neck, you use it like a handlebar. Okay, so you pull him around. Okay, so one more time, left hand, right. Okay, off balance, step forward, sleeve, then left leg, pull around. Okay, left knee.
You want here like that, each, knee, arm, heel, 4, look, 6, punch. You will go back to your place. Knee, 3, 4, look, 6, punch. Yeah, there you go, there you go. 3, 4, right? 7, 8, look, 8, 5, 2. From there, you cross over, cut that gap. Margaret, come on. When you go over their side, same thing. Cut that. 3, 4, go.